My dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions in chemistry. ABC of Chemistry Part 16. The first question is, why are detergents preferred over soaps? Answer is, synthetic detergents can be used in hard water as well as in acidic solution. The reason being that sulfonic acids and their calcium and magnesium salts are soluble in water, but fatty acids and their calcium and magnesium salts are insoluble in water. Second question is, why does table salt NaCl, that is sodium chloride, sometimes appear yellow in color? Answer is, yellow color of sodium chloride is due to metal excess defect, as some chloride ions, that is anions, leave their lattice sites and occupied by unpaired electrons. These sites are called F centers. These electrons absorb energy from visible region for excitation so that complementary color is yellow and it radiates yellow color. Third question is, why lowering of vapor pressure occurs on dissolving a non-volatile solute in a liquid solvent? Answer is, this is because some of the molecules of the volatile liquid solvent on the surface are replaced by those of the non-volatile solute. Fourth question is, why sodium chloride solution freezes at lower temperature than water but boils at higher temperature than water? Answer is, when a solute is dissolved in a solvent, the vapor pressure decreases. As a result, the solution boils at a higher temperature while solvent freezes at a lower temperature. Fifth question is, copper is conducting as such while copper sulfate is conducting only in molten state or in aqueous solution. Explain. Answer is, copper is conducting as such because it contains free electrons. Copper sulfate is conducting in molten state or in aqueous solution because it gives ions only in the molten state, that is aqueous solution. Sixth question is, what is the use of platinum foil in the hydrogen electrode? Answer is, it is used for the inflow and outflow of electrons. Seventh question is, why fluorine cannot be obtained by electrolysis of aqueous hydrogen fluoride solution? Though it is a good conductor of electricity. Answer is H2O, that is water, has higher oxidation potential than fluoride ions. Hence, in aqueous solution, as compared to fluoride ions, water is more easily oxidized to give oxygen gas. Therefore, F2 cannot be obtained by electrolysis of aqueous hydrogen fluoride solution. Next question is, which type of cells are rechargeable? Answer is, those cells are rechargeable in which the products formed during discharge are deposited on the electrodes, and these can be decomposed to give the original substances when electrical energy is supplied. Ninth question is, why equilibrium constant of a reaction does not change in the presence of a catalyst? Answer is, the catalyst increases the speed of forward reaction as well as backward reaction to the same extent. Hence, equilibrium is not disturbed but is attained quickly. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.